Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wegs Garage. If you're just joining us, this is our 1964 Triumph TR4, and today we are going to be putting this beautiful new transmission cover back where it belongs. Stay tuned. So in order to get the transmission cover back in, we have to get the shifter cover back in, run the wires to the overdrive, and get everything under there ready to go, and then we can bolt the new cover on top of there. So that's where we're going to start, is getting the wires run, and then also getting the shifter and the transmission cover put back on. Alright, well, we just spent the last half hour trying to find the bolts that hold the transmission down, top of the transmission down onto the transmission, and, well, they don't seem to be anywhere to be found. So we're gonna have to adapt a little bit here, probably just go get the cover ready to go in and get everything ready, so once we have the bolts, all we gotta do is bolt it down.
Back to around here somewhere.
Yeah. More confusion. So
Let me see this.
somehow this is the hardware that holds the trans tunnel cover on. I believe these go on the front part of the bodywork. That's pretty self-explanatory, but we are trying to figure out what these washers are for, or plates. It has the helpful description in the old Victoria catalog of plate. So, if anyone has any theories on that, yeah, let me know.
There's 8 holes through the floor. We got anything over there we got 8 of?
Well, let's have a look. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 6. We have 16 bolts.
15 bolts.
16. Yeah, catalog says we need 17 bolts to hold this down.
Yeah, well, maybe we will, maybe we won't. Shit. Wait a minute. Oh, these are threaded underneath.
Oh, sorry.
Give me a bolt.
I could have told you that. I didn't know that's what you were confused about.
That's what I was confused
Okay, well, yep.
about. I thought they were just holes.
Yeah, no, they're threaded.
Hand me a bolt.
There you go.
Looks like it's 8 and 8. 8 in the floor and 8 on the hump.
Okay.
What do these do, George?
So I think we figured out where those weird washers go. I think they just are like, they go on the flange, like for extra support or something. I don't know. That's where they go. So this is Victoria British transmission toggle kit, and it has the holes down here, but we need to drill, mark and drill holes on this part to match up with the holes in the firewall up there. So yeah, it doesn't really look like it's gonna fit that great, but I think we can make it work. And then when we're done, we'll cover the whole thing with carpet. Alright, so down here on our cover, we did get our holes drilled. They lined up pretty good, but they just don't quite fit into place like they should. Sorry, this is not a great camera angle. But I think we can make it work. We just need to adjust the holes a little bit. You know, overall, it's kind of like, it's a nice cover, but like, I don't know, it doesn't, it could fit a little bit better, but I think it's gonna be fine when we're all done. It's just hard to get everything to fit in there. All right, well, that's gonna do it for today. We definitely uncovered some missing parts, some things we don't know how to do, so we're gonna have to go back, do some more research, figure out how to mount this in, and get those bolts and everything on order. So, but that will have to wait until next time. So, again, thanks for watching.